Hi friends, for this design I'll be using hydrangea, balloons, and my other equipment which I'll be showing you one after the other. My PVC I'll be using to connect the hula loop, the zip lock, and then the wire. And here is my lamp stand, a lifesaver at all time. It's so dependable. I love this. I love to work a lot with this. I use it for a few designs in my videos. You can check that out. So let's dig into the setup of our decoration. Connect the hula loop with the PVC. Give it a tight connection and then fix it on the lamp stand. Here is hula loop fixed to our lamp stand. I must tell you something, guys. At the end of this video, I eventually had to use 2 lamp stands because the weight of the flowers that I put on the hula loop was too much for a single lamp stand, and I had to make it an arc instead of this design. So I eventually changed the design that I started with, but it still came out very beautifully. Trust me, guys, you would love this. So I'm fixing now pool noodle on the hula loop. This is to fix on the flowers. The pool noodle will help hold the flowers that will be used as a decoration. And then I will be using the wire to hold the pool noodle. This is to make it firm in place and be secured. So these are our inflated balloons. I used a variety of colors and this gave it that popping color. So using the hot gum, and this would help secure firmly the flowers on the pool noodle, and I'm arranging it on both sides. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to click that red button and turn on the notification bell so that you would always receive notifications when we have new videos. If you also have questions or you have a design or a particular theme you want us to work with, just leave it in the comment section and we would make effort to make this design or answer your questions. If you also find this video interesting, please click on the like button. So I got some roses which I'll be arranging with the hydrangea flower. It would be set at the middle, giving it that lovely look. Like I said at the beginning, the weight of the flowers on the hula loop was too much for the single lamp stand, so I had to change this design. I had to make it into an arc, so I removed it from the PVC and then inserted the hula loop into 2 lamp stands. This is the outcome, friends. I had to change it to an arc, and I'll be arranging the balloons on both sides of the arc. Bring up the balloons into a quad. I arrange it on the lamp stand way up on both sides. This is what we have, friends. At this moment we have an arc with the flowers at the top of it. I'll be using the 5-inch balloons connected to a 260 long balloon to fill up the spaces on the arc. You can as well use this as a design. It doesn't necessarily have to be to fill up, but it serves two purposes in this situation. The arranged balloons on the lampstand, the 5-inch balloons fill up the spaces by it, and this gives it this amazing outcome. Instead of the 260 long balloons, you can as well use gum to hold the 5-inch balloons attached to the bigger balloons. However, I prefer to use the long balloons to attach the 5-inch balloons because this helps to manipulate the balloons, that is the 5-inch balloons, as I want. I can easily place it from one place to another. If I see that it's not rightly placed or it's not where I would have wanted it to be, or if the color is not as I would want, I can easily remove it and place it in another place. So the 260 balloons makes it easier for manipulation, and the design comes out more beautiful because you can always move it and manipulate. Here's what we have, friends and family. I hope we like it. I put a light at the middle of the arc so this can be used for any kind of occasion, either indoor or outdoor. If you have any doubts about this particular design, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And also, if you have any theme that you would like us to work with, kindly leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumb up if you've enjoyed this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, do well to click that subscribe button. Also, turn on your notification bell so that you can receive notifications when we have new videos. Thank you always for watching. Thank you for being there. I appreciate you all. God bless you.